Republic of the Congo and the Republic of Congo, which are to the north and east, are the top 10 best places to visit in Angola. Number 1. Iona National Park. The largest national park in Angola, the Iona National Park, is situated in the most southwest point of the country and covers an expansive total place. Number 2. Luanda. Luanda is the modern city and the capital of Angola, which overlooks the Atlantic Ocean. There are many seaports present in this city where the ships halt, which makes it hard for the charmed and unique. Number 3. The Lolo Lake. This mythical lake can be found in Mexico, in the eastern part of Angola. It is the largest lake in the country and serves as an important tourist spot, despite being situated just outside the Cameia Park boundary. Number 4. The Tunda Vala Fissure. The Tunda Vala Fissure is one of the most spectacular sights and is situated in Angola. The feature is located at the high tide of the Tunda Vala Fissure is International Railways. Number 6. The Arc Lagoon. The Arc Lagoon is a wonderful oasis located within Namib Desert near the town of Tombwa in the southern province of Namibe in Angola and is famous for the various rock formations in the lagoon. Number 7. The Lobito. Lobito is known for the export and harbour location in the region. There are numerous beaches situated in the Lobito where it is